So that's the water tower. This is one stream of water that has been running for 10 years. This is a new stream. This is the latest stream that's developed. You can see the water running. And there's a fourth one over there with the water constantly running. It started out as one about 10 years ago. Now it's 4. And PWSA says there's no leak. You can see how fast and how much water is running from that water tower. That's just one stream. There's 4. I'm going to tie a yellow caution sign on it so that they can see where the water is if they come up and care to look.